Hey, what's up guys, it's me Pavitra here, and the Lenovo Z5 is finally here. The Lenovo Z5 is expected to spot with the highest screen to body ratio of 95%, and it will be the best screen ever made. It is not clear that the fingerprint sensor will be in the rear side or under the display, and the Lenovo confirmed that the phone will have a massive internal storage of 4TB, which is ridiculous, I will say. It can hold up to 2000 HD movies and 150,000 music file with 1 million photos. This is just amazing, I will say. So right now we don't know about the camera specifications, and hope it will be the best among all the smartphones. We can expect the price range of the phone in between $900 to $1000 just because this is a premium high-end phone. So we can expect Snapdragon 845 along with 8GB or 10GB of RAM for this phone. So hope for the best, and let's see what Lenovo can do this time.